you new to WordPress? Let me help you navigate and get used to how to use the WordPress dashboard. So before I continue, what is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system, a CMS that gives you access to manage your website online, to edit, design, and create your website online with ease without any knowledge of coding. You don't have to know PHP, you don't have to know JavaScript and all that, but you just have to learn how to use WordPress and you get to design website from scratch. Gives you access to tools to edit, create, and publish your website's content online. Whether you are designing an e-commerce website, a blog, a business website, whichever you choose to, wedding, portfolios, an event website, WordPress gives you easy access to tools, to themes, plugins to design your website, your desired website. And I would say WordPress powers over 53 to 60% of websites online. So this makes WordPress the most popular website builder in the world. So if you're new and you want to learn how to design a website, I would recommend you start with WordPress. It's a beginner-friendly content management system that you can easily learn how to navigate and how to use. So follow me on this series as I teach you how to use WordPress to design websites. I'm Bernixe from Bernixe, and I teach and I help businesses build functional and beautiful websites, and I help them to boost their online presence with ease. So follow my channel for more tutorials. Click. So the dashboard is like a home. This is your control room. Here you get to see an overview of your website, your recent activities, every functions that control the WordPress website. You get to see it on the dashboard. So let's log into our WordPress dashboard. So before you can access this login page, you have to first of all have a domain name, have a hosting for your website. Domain is the address, the name of your website, and the hosting is where you get to store your website files and documents. So let's continue. I already did that. So if you want me to have a tutorials on how to host your domain and get your hosting and install WordPress on your cPanel, just leave a comment below and I'll do that tutorials next. So let's log into our dashboard. So here's our dashboard. So welcome to WordPress dashboard. This is like a home for your website where you get to have access to edit your documents. So let's get started. First of all, we have this. You see the dashboard. This is where it controls. Welcome to WordPress. This is where it controls everything. Your backend for your website. This is your menu. Your dashboard menu. These are your dashboard menu functions that helps you edit and publish your website. So first we have post. What is post? Post is where you get to, if you're a blogger, you run a blog on your website. This is where you write and edit, manage your blog post. Think of it as your content hub. So you get to access to all your posts you've written before. Add posts. We have categories if you want to partition your posts into different, those that have topics, blogging on different specific topics. So you get to categorize them, tag them to different categories. We have our media. Your media library holds all your images, videos, PDF files, and other files. You upload them here and reuse them anytime you want to use them. You have access to them on your website. See those pictures, those graphics on the website. This is the media library that holds all of them in your dashboard, your backend. And we have pages. Pages for your website content. Pages are for your website content. Examples are your about page, your services, your contact page, or whatever you're into, any page you design on your website. This is where you have access to all of them. This holds all the page on your website. Then we have comments. We say blog comment, website comment. So when you have a comment, this comment section holds all your comments. You get to approve, disapprove all comments that come into your website. And we have appearance, where you can customize your website. This is where you can customize your, this is where you get to customize your website theme, editor, like edit your website content. I wouldn't advise a newbie to click the editor because you might easily touch something you're not supposed to touch and delete some functions of your website. So if you're not used to coding, don't touch the editor. So for your theme, you have access to change, edit, and re-edit your themes. And we have plugins. Plugins, they add functionality, extra functions to your website, from what SEO tools, SEO functions to your e-commerce features. We have WooCommerce, that's for e-commerce features. We have what different functionality depending on what your website is about. Plugins, they help you what add functionalities to your website. WooCommerce is an e-commerce plugin that gives you all that functionality. So we have user. This is where you have access to your document, your profile. This is where you have access to all your users, where you have those managing your website, so all their functionalities, their information. Users are those who manage, who can log in and have access to your website content. So they have different functionalities. You can have administrations, you can have subscribers and all that. So those are users. You and any other person that can have access to edit your website. Then we have tools and settings. Tools and settings, they fine tune how your website runs, from reading to settings to primary links. Those are links, how your website links are shown on the internet. So these are these are plugins. This is for SEO, search engine optimization, and this for what speed cache. It helps to speed out your website. So I hope you learned something today. So the best way to get familiar with your dashboard is to stick around and try things. So just keep touching every menu on your dashboard, so get used to it. And if you have any comment, any questions, so just leave a comment below and I'll get back to answer you. So just avoid deleting things you do not understand. So I will say thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below if you want for any other tutorials you want us to do, and please like, follow, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And I'm Bernixe from Bernixe Tech, and I help you build your online presence.